Buck Mason are one of my favourite brands, and the reason for that is their items they sell are a perfect balance between Americana and it not being too costumey. With the Western and Americana genre of clothing that's been around for a long time now, it's really important when I do dip my toes into that realm of dressing that I'm not trying to be a Red Dead Redemption cosplayer. Especially with the sort of Western and Americana theme of dressing that's been around for a long time now, and there's no signs of it going away. I want to take all of that masculine rugged look and have it blend in with my own normal style and blend in with my surroundings as well. So when the good people over at Buck Mason messaged me and said they'd send me some stuff, I was pretty excited. I was even more over the moon when I messaged them 1 or 2 pieces from the list they sent me, and because they were unsure what they had in stock, they just said they'd send me some stuff. And that excites me more than anything, because whilst I love choosing my own clothes, I think I love a mystery box even more. So that's what we got right here. So, let's do some unboxing. Oh, by the way, what I'm wearing today, this is from Drake's. It's like a rugby shirt. I'm a big fan. I don't know what's in here, so I don't want to cut into any items, just in case, so I'm going to be pretty careful. We have, oh, I don't want to look, it's a list of the stuff. I'm just going to keep that to the side because I want to keep it a mystery. Let's go. This here in this kind of a crew cream colour, nice bit of knitwear. Oh, they're super soft. See that there? That is right up my street. Already we're onto a winner. So this is the Snowdrift Shaggy Alpaca Saddle Crew sweater. It's unbelievably soft. It's mid-weight, so it's going to be good for some layering, and it's a little bit cropped as well. I don't know if you can see that, which is perfect, especially if you want to show off that high waist in your trousers and your jeans. So, couldn't have gone off to a better start. Next, this is fun. Right, so now we have a little V-neck number in, this is a Oak Gall, California Cashmere V-neck. Oh, Buck Mason, you shouldn't have. So, it's V-necks, let's talk about V-necks. So if you've followed me for a little while, you know I've posted a few videos about V-necks recently, and well, the last couple of years actually, of how they've been coming back into fashion. And it's just something I hate saying, but they've come more back into style because they were much derided over the last 10 years or so, since like the sort of new rave era, where I used to wear like deep V's, like horrible stuff. They've started to creep back into consciousness, and I haven't had the balls to pull the trigger yet. And luckily, I don't need to, because we have this beautiful one here. Not quite like a deep V, let's pick up here, but that's good. I don't want to be showing off my chest too much. Love the color, yeah, perfect color. Really like that it's got like a nice chunky neckline to it. 10 out of 10 so far. 2 out of 2. I don't know what we're going to say with this. Okay, here we have another sweater. Oh, this is nuts. Okay, so here we have another sweater, crew neck, dusk navy, alpaca saddle crew. So same as the cream one, but in navy, and that is again super soft, mid kind of weight. So for all of these, I've gone for a medium. That is just that's for Buck Mason, has been my size and stuff I've tried before. Okay, 3 out of 3. Man, okay. It's 4 out of 4. I know, you know it's 4 out of 4. Okay, this is like an oatmeal roll neck. Love a roll neck. And this is a light oak California Cashmere turtleneck, let's call it, but that's, you know, let's anglicize it a bit. It's a roll neck. You can call it what you want. That's gonna look lovely with some denim. You can maybe, and like with a pea coat, a navy pea coat over the top of it. Bang on, love that. These cord trousers in, what color is this? It's kind of like a, it says Featherstone Craftsman Corduroy Ford Standard Jean. So I really like these. I can't remember if I chose these or not when the initial one, because they had a really nice rise to them. I love a cord trouser, but obviously these are like cord jeans. So these would be ideal with, because I especially love like cold weather, like kind of trousers and jeans, because it just livens up an outfit, especially if you're wearing lots of navies and browns and other stuff, darker tones. Perfect. What are we, 5 out of 5? I don't know if I've lost count. They've absolutely just outdone themselves. This was something I did choose. So this is a ripstop jacket, a black jacket, right? Because I have in my head the perfect thing. So I bought some first sack, what would they be? Kind of like terracotta coloured jeans, like really awkward coloured jeans to pair with stuff, but they go really well with black. And that's what I wanted to wear this with. This is like a safari kind of like jungle jacket. What is it? Parachute, sorry, it's not ripstop, parachute poplin jungle jacket in black. And because I have barely any blacks out clothes, like hardly any, so I've been trying to like reintegrate items like black sweaters, roll necks into my wardrobe, and this is something I like, something a little bit different because it's more of a, like when it gets a little bit warmer, this would be perfect for that. Where then with some like black loafers, so just adding a bit more black into my wardrobe because I avoided it for such a long time. I'm really looking forward to trying it on. Then we've got the last item. Then we have here this guy here, just some lovely sort of like what do they call them? Paperback twill something. They always have a really nice high rise, and you guys know I love that. Love the colour as well. Again, lighter colour trousers. It's going to go well with pretty much every item I've got here. Absolutely buzzing for this. Right, so that is everything. Thank you, Buck Mason. That was way more than I expected. Thank you so much. But anyway, guys, that was unboxing. That was everything. I'll also do videos and different outfits with these as well, so let me know which ones you'd like to see first. Also, let me know which sort of format you'd like to see those kind of videos in, whether it's like something like this, because I'm aware that I can't really fit it in right now. So maybe if I can pop something to the side, or if I just do one video that's set up just for that. Yeah, let me know which you prefer. Remember to check out the Substack as well. I'll put everything in the description. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.